Attackers get in by finding vulnerabilities in your application and then exploiting them. They have many techniques for scanning applications and finding these vulnerabilities, and for building exploit techniques and then compromising your data or your organization through those vulnerabilities. Some of the ways that the vulnerabilities get in is when there are new feature updates, push to production, or new open source vulnerabilities are included into your application. Another way they get in is through the APIs that you're using to speak to other applications and mobile applications, into integrations in with the cloud. Attackers are constantly scanning for all these things and finding the vulnerabilities that are there. What makes Veracode effective is continuous vulnerability monitoring. This means that we're not just scanning for security issues at a point in time, perhaps when you deploy the application. We're doing it while the application is being developed and after the application is deployed. Another capability that makes Veracode effective is centralized risk visibility. This means if you have multiple sources that are inspecting the code, inspecting the environment, looking at risk, it all comes into one place and you can determine what are the biggest risks and deal with them. Finally, supply chain risk monitoring is essential because you're continuously updating your code with code that is coming from third parties. And this code can have new vulnerabilities put in it by attackers. It can also have backdoors or malicious code put in it by attackers. So this has to be continuously monitored every time you update that code. And lastly, supply chain security monitoring is looking at the code that's coming into your organization, third-party code, open source code, and inspecting it for new vulnerabilities or malicious code and backdoors so that they can be dealt with it right then and there.